Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're into creating animation story videos, you might have faced a common issue: generating consistent images for your stories. Well, today I've got an amazing solution for you that will save you tons of time and effort. Stick around till the end, and I promise you'll have all the tips and tricks to get your animation game to the next level. If you've ever made an animation story video, you know how hard it is to generate consistent images throughout your story. One image might come out great, but the next one, not so much. And let's not even talk about how long it takes to write different prompts for every image. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful trick to generate consistent images for your entire story in one go, without needing to write any extra prompts. Yes, you heard that right. You can generate all the images for your video in one shot, and I'll show you exactly how to do that, so don't skip a second. Now, the website we'll be using today allows you to generate up to 500 images a day, and I'll also share a trick on how to use it absolutely free. Let's jump into it. First, we'll need a story to create our video. To generate one, we'll use ChatGPT. Type in the story prompt you want, like write a kid's story about a little girl and her panda friend, and let ChatGPT create the story for you. Now that we have our story ready, head over to another website called Artflow. The link will be provided in the description. We can use this to generate the consistent images for our video. No need to manually write multiple prompts. Simply copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it into the website's Story Studio section. You can also enter character names and descriptions here to ensure consistency. After adding the details of all your characters, you can select the aspect ratio and format of your video. Then click Continue to start generating images. Wait for the processing to finish, and in no time, you'll have a complete set of images for your entire story, all with perfect consistency. If any character doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can easily modify the characters. But in most cases, you'll get exactly what you need in the first go. Once you've got all your images, you can download them for free. Just right-click and save them on your computer. If you're using a mobile device, hold down on the image and save it. And don't worry if the images are in web format, I've got you covered. There's a second link in the description that will let you convert those images into JPG or PNG format. After converting, you can easily create a video using any free image-to-video tool. If you don't know how to do this, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a complete video on that as well. I hope this method of generating consistent images for your story video helps you create amazing content with less hassle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with a brand new tool and another awesome trick.